How to fix your entire life in 7 days. You can't fix your entire life in 7 days, but you can fix your direction, and direction changes everything. Day 1. Clean your space. Your environment affects your mind. Clean your room, organize your desk, remove the chaos around you. A clear space creates a clear mind. Day 2. Fix your sleep. Sleep on time. Wake up early. No phone before bed. You can't fix your life if you're always tired. Day 3. Move your body. Walk, stretch, exercise for at least 10 minutes. Movement builds energy. Energy builds discipline. Day 4. Control your inputs. Stop watching useless content. Stop listening to negativity. Read, learn, improve. What you consume shapes who you become. Day 5. Face one problem. Not all of them, just one. Make the call. Finish the task. Have the hard conversation. Avoidance destroys lives. Action builds them. Day 6. Create a simple routine. Wake up, work, learn, reflect. Routine turns chaos into control. Day 7. Reflect and decide. Look at your week. See the progress. Decide to continue. 7 days won't make you perfect, but they will prove something important. You are capable of change. Fix your habits, and your life will follow. Start today. Not next week, not someday. Today.